Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Essentials of Management. Friends, motto of this channel is to evolve high standards of education and training of the subject management science in general and that of environment, health and safety management in particular. So friends, today we are going to have series various management techniques. We will have discourse 5. Here we will discuss third is that is Seiso. It is part 5 of the 7 parts of the topic 5S. We have already seen first 2 A's, that is theory and Seton, in our previous videos. So what is Seiso? In English it can be called as shining or cleaning. So what it says? Clean your workplace completely. So always keep your workplace very clean. This is the motto of third S, that is Seiso. Seiso, the third step in 5S, says that everyone is a janitor, a cleaner. It consists of cleaning up the workplace and giving it a shine. So everything has to be spick and span, that is neat and clean. So what it says? Clean your workplace completely. Use cleaning as inspection. See, this is very important. That while cleaning, automatically you can inspect your machine. You can come to know various different problems or things which requires maybe some maintenance or some attention. Okay. So cleaning is one motto, but at the same time while cleaning you are doing the inspection also. Very, very important. So use cleaning as inspection. Cleaning must be done by everyone in the organization. So it is not the case that managers are not supposed to do cleaning and only workers are supposed to do cleaning. So everyone from operator to managers, they are supposed to do the cleaning operation. It is everybody's job. It would be a good idea to have every area of the workplace assigned to a person or group of person for cleaning. So everyone, or you can make a group and assign a particular area to them so that that area will be looked after by them and they will clean and inspect that area. And this operation has to be continuous. That you clean one day and then forget for another 10 days for cleaning. Okay. So it is a continuous process. No area should be left unclean. So please keep in mind that no area is left out. So every area is being cleaned by some individual or some group. Everyone should see the workplace through the eyes of the visitor, always thinking if it is clean enough to make a good impression. So consider that you are a visitor and you are visiting a certain place or certain section of a plant. So how a visitor will see at the things? So in very simple way, that if things are very clean and neat, put in a proper place in orderly manner, the impression will be good. So see through the eyes of the visitor and then decide what is to be done. Prevent machinery and equipment deterioration. So as you are inspecting, probably you will be able to understand where is the problem and where the attention is required or the maintenance is required. So you prevent the equipment deterioration while cleaning. Keep workplace safe and easy to work. So this is the motto of Seiso. While doing Seiso, keep in mind cleaning should be done regularly. As I said, that it is not a one-time affair or intermittent affair. It should be clean regularly. Use the best cleaning agent. So whatever the cloth, a particular special type of cloth is required, or some cleaning agent is required, so use that. Whatever the best cleaning agent is. All the nooks and corners should be clean. So just don't clean which is a visible area, and you are not going to the difficult places or nook and corners where cleaning is difficult. So all the nooks and corners should be clean. Keep all the labels intact. While cleaning, you should see that the labels are not removed. Or even if it is removed, it is placed again. All the labels should correct, visible and legible to all. So they should be correct label. There should not be wrong label placed. Then they should be visible and legible to all. Now, what are the consequences of not practicing Seiso? Performance of machines deteriorates. The quality, aesthetic quality deteriorates. Dirty places is unpleasant and hazardous to health. It sends uncaring and irresponsible message to the team members and society at large. People working at dirty areas are generally found to have low desire to excel and their motivation level is low. See, it is very important that if you are working in a very clumsy or cramped place, unclean place, automatically your morale will go down and your motivation will be reduced. So you will lose your desire to excel in such conditions. So you always should have the wherever you are working, it should be neat and clean, speak and spark. So it is the case at your home also. If you keep your home dirty and if it is not in orderliness, you will not feel good or happy while you come, say, after your duty of 10 hours, you have come to home. If your home is in such a condition, then will you feel happy? No, you will not feel happy. Okay, so you have to have the things clean so that you keep your motivation and your morale high. So what are the keywords? Keep things clean plus inspection. So you should have a caring attitude. Divide areas into zones. Define responsibilities for cleaning. Tools and equipment must be owned by an individual. So there has to be, uh, responsibility given to a particular individual. Focus on removing the need to clean. So you should keep the things in a way and clean the things in a way that things will not need more cleaning. Even though cleaning is required, the cleaning will be less. So this is all about Seiso. Friends, thank you for watching. Please resume viewing. For that, switch on to Discourse 6, where we will discuss fourth S, that is Seketsu. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.